Good morning, friends. I am Shyamaprasad Swain, and today we'll learn about hydraulic shaping machine. Yes, hydraulic shaper machine. Okay. So this is your hydraulic shaper machine. The main function of the shaper machine is that to cut a flat surface on a workpiece. Okay. So this is your vise, and here you can hold your workpiece so that the cutting stroke or the cutting tool comes forward to cut the workpiece, and it will make a flat surface. Okay, so that is the main function of the shaper machine. Okay, now come to main parts of the shaper machine. Okay, so main parts includes, this is your ram. This portion is reciprocate to and fro. Okay, this is your body. This part is known as body, and this part is base. This table is known as work table, and this is known as tool head, and this is known as your cross rail. This part is known as cross rail, and another some additional parts also present. This is your control panel. You can say this is PLC control panel, and this is your cylinder. This is main part of the shaper machine because it is a hydraulic shaper machine. So this is your cylinder. Inside cylinder a piston is present. The piston moves forward and backward, so that the ram will move forward and backward. And this is your gear motor. This is your gear motor, and this is a total system is known as power pack system. Power pack. And this is your actuator, and this is your hose pipe. Through this hose pipe, the pressurized fluid can come inside the cylinder. Okay, so this is the main parts of the hydraulic shaper machine. Okay, so now come to types of shaper machine. One is your crank type shaper machine, another one is gear type shaper machine, and another one is your hydraulic shaper machine. Okay, so this is your hydraulic shaper machine. And in your crank type shaper machine, a crank wheel is present here in this position. In crank type shaper machine, a crank wheel is present. By the help of this crank wheel, the ram is reciprocate forward and backward. Okay. In the case of gear type of shaper machine, a gear is present, and a rack is present or attached with the ram. By the help of rack and gear, or you can say pinion, the ram can reciprocate to and fro or forward and backward. This is the main function of the shaper machine, and this is the main types of the shaper machine. Okay. So now we discuss about the maintenance, or you can say preventive maintenance. Okay. So in this machine or any kind of machine, you can see some lubrication purpose, some provision also provide. Now you can see this is here. This is all the lubrication type of facility available inside machine. So to run smoothly the machine, you can use appropriate grade lubricant, so that machine can be run easily. Okay, and this part is for locking provision. To lock the ram, you can just loose the nut and clamp when you require and tight again, so that ram can be tight. Okay. Now this is tool head. In this place, you can hold your cutting tool. By the help of this cutting tool, we can make a flat surface on a workpiece, and the workpiece is held inside the vise. Okay. And this is the basic specification of this machine. Particular this machine, this is the basic specification, technical specification of the machine. Okay. So now you got a little bit idea about the shaper machine. Okay. So further we study about any different kind of machine. Okay. So today this one. Okay. Thank you.